Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank DYHAIR777 for sending me over this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous and it's glueless, y'all. It is glueless. It is so freaking pretty. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. Hey y'all. So today we are working with DYHAIR777. Look at how cute this little baggie is. It carries your wig. Your wig's inside this. I think this is so stinking cute. So we got some wig caps. And our wig comes in this satin bag. The wig we're working with today. This is a 22-inch Malaysian. I believe this is 200% density. It's 22 inches. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut. It is a 5x5 closure. We've got 2 combs left and right and 1 at the back. We have an adjustable strap as well. And then we have the grip strip that goes around the perimeter for a nice snug fit. So yes, this hair looks beautiful. We got some highlights in here. I believe it's a 427 blend. Hair is Tangle-Free, honey. Hair smells like hair, nothing too strong. But yes, this is pre-plucked, pre-cut. Knots are pre-bleached as well. So, and the knots are super tiny. Super tiny. So off camera, I'm going to put some foundation on the lace so it can match my hair just a little bit more. I'm gonna comb the hair back with the hot comb. And I think I'm gonna do a side part today because I haven't done a side part in a while. And then I'm gonna use my wand to curl it. But yes, and then I'll come back at the end and share with you guys my thoughts. Yes, it has a lot of body. But yes, let's go ahead and get into this wig, y'all. I'm very excited. This, my gosh, look at all these highlights. They're so freaking pretty. So pretty. All right, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I finished styling the hair. The wig is still glueless, as you can see. I threw some curls in here. It curled really, really nicely. Let me show you guys the back real quick. All right, she turned out really, really pretty. She is gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, again, this wig is 22 inches. It's body wave. It's a 5x5 closure. It is a 427 blend highlight. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, and the knots are pre-bleached. And we have really, really tiny knots, as you can see. It turned out really, really well. I do have it glueless still, which is really nice, so you don't have to worry about gluing your hair down. It just looks beautiful. Look at the curls. Look at the color. It is really, really pretty. This is actually really, really pretty. This gives like summer, fall vibes. This color does. It's so, so pretty. So, so beautiful. Again, I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check out the description box. Thank you again, DYHAIR777, for sending over this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Comment below, let me know how you guys feel about this wig. Are you loving it? I think it looks really, really good on my skin with this brown shirt. It just looks super, just like cohesive. It's so, like, it just all goes so well together. I love it. I freaking love it. All right, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.